What's going on, everybody? My name's Dog with a Vlog. How does the intro go? I always forget what the fucking intro to my own goddamn... What's going on, everybody? It's Dog with a Vlog coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes. This is the New Balance, what are these called? New Balance Rev Light 1550. So this is kind of a new model. I do have a couple of pairs of New Balance. I have a pair called the Connoisseur Guitar that I still think is a really cool shoe and really like. And then I also have a pair of the Concepts New Balance 998 in the Boston colorway. I did shoot a review for that shoe, but I never uploaded it because the video was kind of funky and weird. It was with my ex-girlfriend, Dogette was in it, and it was just kind of a weird video because it didn't really have very much organization. So I ended up scrapping it. That's not important. We're here to talk about this shoe, not the other shoe. So let's take a look at them. I did pick these up at Marshall's of all places. I ended up stumbling onto these for $30, which I think is super cool. I actually don't know what they are normally, but I paid $29.99, $32.09 after tax, so a 7% tax. But this colorway I would call maybe a spicy mustard colorway. Very interesting. Let's take a look at them though. So as you can see, it is just this all mustard yellow shoe. When I bought these, the cashier actually said to me, at least if you spill mustard on them, no one will know. And I don't really know why she said that. So I would say this is kind of a honey mustard colorway. But let's take a look. Starting from the bottom, as you can see, we've got that honey mustard yellow color with this white in the middle. This white is, I believe, what they call the RevLite outsole, or the RevLite technology that New Balance is using on some of their lifestyle shoes. This is definitely designed as a lifestyle sneaker, as you can see just kind of from the overall build of it. When you come up to the midsole, you've got more of that white with more of that honey mustard and another Rev hit right here. Coming up to the actual shoe, it's kind of a hodgepodge of materials. We've got some leather that kind of wraps up here kind of by the aglets, and then some leather here on the lateral and medial side, and then along on the back. But a majority of the upper is actually, once again, this suede. It is a really short-haired suede, so you can't really see much difference when you like kind of run your fingers across it, but it really is a nice suede. It's very soft to the touch. The leather is also sort of like already, it's a supple leather. Is that the word? Supple. It's supple. On the toe box, and this is kind of the weirdest part of the shoe, it almost looks like some kind of a weird cheetah print. It looks very different in the camera than it does in real life. It's a bit of a mesh over a different material, which is why it kind of has that weird look to it. I'm not actually sure what that material underneath is supposed to be, but it's also present here on the back. And then we have more of that mesh on the tongue with the New Balance suede patch. If you're a fan of the channel, you know that I love my patches. But this one says New Balance Rev Light 1550, and then it only did come with one pair of laces, just these thicker rope laces, which I'm not complaining about. I definitely think that rope laces like this look really good on like the retro runner style sneaker. Unfortunately, they only had one size left, and it was an 11. Usually I go true size in my New Balance for like a more snug fit. However, if you like your shoes to fit maybe a little bit more loose, I would recommend going half size up. On a lot of retro runners like Saucony, Reebok, stuff like that, I do go half size down just to fit a little more snug, but for some reason I think New Balance is the most true to size retro runner on the market. So these are an 11. They fit good enough, but a 10.5 would probably be perfect for me. There's a little bit of room up here in the toe box. So I'd recommend going true to size or half size up, just depending on how you like to wear your shoes. It's not up to me. Don't fucking ask me what size you should go in and try to give me details about your feet or your toenails or whatever the fuck it is you do, because I don't want to hear it. There's some weirdos out here outside my apartment window. Sorry. God. Okay. My apartment backs to this pond. Like I have this really nice pond view, and people always let their kids come out here and like feed the ducks. There's like ducks and like a crane that lives back here. It's very weird. But people always let their kids come out here and feed the ducks. For those of you who don't know, you're actually not supposed to feed ducks bread. You're supposed to feed ducks like a specified duck food, because ducks are unable to digest or break down bread. So if you feed them bread, their stomachs will just fill up and it won't be able to break it down. And the duck could theoretically starve if it eats too much bread. The reason is because it won't be able to consume food because it won't have room in its stomach, so it won't be able to consume the necessary food to consume the necessary nutrients. But like, there are people who live like above me and like my neighbors and stuff who literally just throw plates of food, like other human food, like meat and shit, off the fucking balcony down to these ducks. And it really annoys me because it's like, these ducks live here because they think it's safe, and y'all are giving them some fucked up shit. Could kill them. That's the shoe. So I definitely do like these. I don't know where you could find these, honestly. Like I said, it was like kind of just a random Marshall steal, and usually if you find something at Marshall's, it's really hard to find anywhere else because it's like, who knows who's gonna have it. It's usually an older model, which I think that's what this is, but I definitely like these. It's a unique color that I don't really have in my collection currently, so I'm super happy to pick them up, and I'll wear them this summer as much as I possibly can and into the fall. But that's them, the RevLite 1550 New Balance. Let me know if you guys like the shoe in the comments. And other than that, I appreciate the support on the videos as always. I've had people, you know, commenting and reaching out via the internet and whatnot, just saying that they are enjoying the content. I appreciate it. I enjoy you guys watching it. And make sure you tell your friends to like and comment and subscribe, and make sure you like and you comment and you subscribe and you do what you need to do. But anyway, start with the vlog. You guys are awesome. I'll talk to you super soon. Peace.